Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome back to my channel V2 Waves into Victory. Guys, today we are going to talk about most important questions in quantitative aptitude is arithmetic questions. So you can expect minimum 10 and maximum 12 questions in all the arithmetic questions. Sometimes we can call it as a miscellaneous questions, but it's all about you should good at all the basic concepts of all the quantitative aptitude, guys. All the basic concepts are important. You should know the basic concept, you should know the approach, and you should good at all the calculations. Then only you can save your time in this particular section. If you guys are new to our channel, just subscribe our channel, press bell icon. You never miss any update from channel. Guys, I already completed couple of videos, especially for SBI clerk examinations. If you guys have missed those videos, just go and watch those videos, which are always available in my YouTube channel. Just go and check it out. So without any delay, let's start our session. So meanwhile, guys, try to solve each and every question and post your answer in the comment section, guys. And everyone like our video. It reaches to the maximum number of people. So support our channel. So definitely every day I will come up with the new content for your SBA clerk examinations. Now let's see the first information. What would be the perimeter of rectangle? So perimeter of rectangle, you know that 2 times the L plus B. I just revised the formulas also in every question. Whose perimeter is equal to the circumference of the, see that perimeter which is equal to the circumference of the circle. You know that circumference of circle is 2 pi r. And the radius is 14 meters. You just identify that what is the circumference of circle 2 pi r. Pi can be taken as 22 by 7. Radius is given as 14. Now here, if 4 is multiplied by 22, now the total resultant is 88 meters. Now the question, guys, what is the perimeter of rectangle? You already know that perimeter of rectangle exactly equal to the circumference of the circle. So you can choose your option is 88. Next, on to the next question. So just go through this question, guys, from percentage concept. Now see, in a village, 3 people contested for the post of village Pradhan. Due to their own interest, all voters voted and no vote was declared invalid. So every vote they have to consider in the counting. Now the losing candidate got 20%. Guys, let us assume 100% of voters are there. So everyone is cast their vote. So they clearly mention that losing candidate got only 20% of votes. Now, what would be the minimum, guys? What would be the minimum percentage of margin of votes by which the winning candidate lead the nearest rival if each candidate got integral percentage of voter? Now, see, after 20 percentage, how much vote percentage is left? 80 percentage. Guys, if you divide it equally, so if one candidate got 40 percentage, other candidate got 40 percentage, we can't decide the winner. They clearly mention that what can be the minimum percentage of margin the winner lead the nearest rival. So there is only one possibility. So one person must got 41 percentage and other person must got 39 percentage. Now question, guys, how much percentage of margin that person got? Means answer is 2%. Next, on to the next question. Guys, the price of article is first increased 15 percentage, later decreased 20 percentage due to the reduction in sales. Okay. Now find the net percentage change in its final price of the article. You can use successive percentage concept, guys. So increases 15 percentage and decreasing 20 percentage. Now successive percentage means product of positive and negative resultant is negative and 20 and 15 divided by 100. So you will get here 5, here you will get 3. So what is the total value you will get? 15 percentage minus 23 percentage. If you get 8 percentage, minus is represented less. So answer 8 percentage less. Or guys, I will tell you fraction calculation also. For example, if it is 15 percentage, you already know that 15 by 100 can be represented for 3 by 20th. Now see, if initial price is 20, now it is increases 3 units. Now it becomes 23. Just consider in that way. Now the next value is reduction of 20 percentage. First find the fraction of 20 percentage is 1 by 5. It means you should understand that if price is 5 rupees, now it is reduces 1 unit. Now guys, resultant. So here denominator. In any fraction, denominator value is our comparison value. Comparison value or initial value. And the numerator is also talks about a resultant of the denominator. Just multiply here. It's 100 times. Now here value becomes C 92. Now see 100 become a 92. So it reduces exactly 8 units from 100 rupees. Now you will get the percentage. You can use the successive percentage or you can use the fraction method. You can go with any approach guys. You have to save your time. That's why you should learn multiple methods. Go through the next question. Time and work concept. Now see, if 5 men, 4 women, it takes 8 days to finish the work. If 6 men, 8 women finishes same work in 5 days. Now guys, here work is same. You should understand that work is same. See, whatever the work is always depends on number of persons. Number of persons is multiplied with the number of days. So these parameters decided total work. Remember that. Another question, how long it will take if one man, one woman take to complete the work? Now see, total work. Number of people is multiplied with the number of days. Same work will take different people, they will finish in 5 days. So whatever that, both are talks about the total work only. Just solve the equation here. So here the difference of men is 10. Difference of women is 8. Now you will get men by women ratio is exactly equal to 4 by 5. Guys, first identify that what is the total work. You can take either these equation or these equation. You will get the total work. Now identify that what is the total work. Total work here. So 5. So for your reference only, I am substituting each and every value. So 40 into 8, total work is equal to 320. Now these 320 units of work we should assign one man and one woman. So divided by 9. Now see 9 threes. 9 threes are 27. We left with the 50. So 50 again see. 9 fives are 45. So here the total work which is completed with one man and one woman is 35 500 days. Check with this one information. See, in any partnership, profit is always needs how much they are invested with a respect to duration. So these two parameters decided profit. Now here there is a two persons P and Q. The ratio of their investment is 3 is to 5. After 1 year, their profits, they are already given for profits also. Profits is exactly equal to 2 is to 3. The period of P's profit was exactly 10 months. What is the Q invested for money? You just identify that what is the duration for Q. And you already know that, see, time always talks about profit by investment. 2/3 of fraction, 3 by 5th of fraction. Now the respective duration is 10 is to 9. Now see, if P is there for 10 months and Q must be there for 9 months. According to our comparison, P was there in exactly 10 months, then Q must be 9 months. Now let's check with this question. The simple interest on certain sum of money for 12 months at the rate of 6.5% per annum is exceeds the simple interest on same sum 11.5% per annum for 6 months by 2718 rupees. You just tell me what is that sum value, what is the principal value. Now guys, if the principal is same, if you deposit for 12 months, it's exactly 1 year guys. If 12 months and they clearly mention that it's all about 6.5% per annum. So you already know that 12 months means 1 year. So how much of interest you will get based on the principal is 6.5% of principal. If same amount for 6 months, so you already know that it is exactly equal to off year. What is the rate of interest here? 11.5%. Now how much of interest you will get here in 6 months? So just take the off of this value, 11.5% divided by 2. So 2 fives, 10, 15, 2 sevens, 2 fives. It's a value of 5.75 percentage. How much of difference you can able to see exactly equal to C is 0.25 percentage plus 0.5 percentage. So total value is 0.7 percentage of principal. That value is exactly equal to 2780. Now the question here, what is the principal? Now see, for a percentage you will get 100 here. Then see 0.75 percentage means again you will get top 100 and bottom is 75. 25 threes and 25 fours. And 3 becomes C. Check it out. See it's a 906 times. So what is the principal here? 90600. It's all about 90,600. Is it clear guys? No? Choose your option is none of this. Go through this question. What is the difference between compound interest of 7,000 for 1 year 6% compounded yearly and half yearly? Guys, 6% per annum. So this is one calculation. 6% per annum, but you have to pay off yearly means every 6 months you have to pay. Remember that rate of interest is off, time period is 2 times. Means you have to pay first year 3%, you have to pay second year 3% plus. So you should pay interest to the interest also. Interest to the interest means it's 3% of 3%. So total value becomes 0.09%. Now how much of difference you can able to see here? 0.09% of principal. Is it? You can see that. Now answer here, 9 by 100 into 100 is multiplied with the 7,000. So 63 by 10, it's all about 6.3. Next, check this question. The profit is always calculated based on the cost price and discount is always calculated based on market price. Now see, if profit is 5%, if profit is 5%, you should understand that it's a value of 1 by 20. It means if cost price is 20 units, 1 unit is profit, now selling price is 21. In the same way, here discount percentage is 15, 15 by 100, it's all about 3 by 20. If market price is 20 units, now discount is 3, so definitely selling price is exactly equal to 17 units. In these two comparisons, you can observe that selling price is the common one. So how we can equating both the selling prices means you should multiply these number with the 17, you should multiply these number with the 20. Another question here, what is a market price? Guys, market price means 20 is multiplied by 20 is exactly equal to 1050. Now what is a cost price? Cost price means 20 is multiplied by 70. Is it clear? See, check the comparison. Now again see here 0, 0 cancel. Finally, 105 is multiplied by 17 is divided by 2. So let me check here market price of the shirt. So one is profit, another one is discount. So all about 1 by 20th fraction. This is 3 by 20th fraction. Cost to price is 20. 1 unit is profit. Selling price is 21. If market price is 20 and selling price, you got discount of 3 units, right? It's all about 17. Now, guys, if you observe that in both the information, selling price is constant. We are trying to equate both the numbers. How can we equate? You should multiply with the 17 and you should multiply with the 21. Give me a second. It's a 21. Now see, if 21 ones are 21 fives are. Now you just multiply these numbers, you will get the answer. If 17 is multiplied by 50, 850 is the correct answer. Guys, why we are multiplying with those numbers means we are trying to equate both selling prices in the given equation. Let's see the ages concept, guys. If you want complete concept of ages, I already done one video especially for ages concept. If you guys missed that video, just go and watch that video, which are always there in my YouTube channel. Go through that. The ratio of present ages that talks about present ages of Mohit and Rohit is 4 is to 9. 3 years ago, their ages is 1 is to 3. Guys, 3 years ago, yeah, the respective ages is 1 is to 3. Now, what will be the Rohit age after 3 years, guys? Only one important point. Keep this point in your mind. The difference between ages, the difference of ages between the people is always same. Now see how much of difference you can able to see here, 5 units. How much of difference you can able to see here, exactly equal to 2 units. So if difference is different, you should equate the difference. How you should equate the difference? Multiply with a 5 units, multiply with a 2 units. Now see, here this value become 5 is to 15. Here the value become 8 is to 18. Now you can able to find the difference is same. Now how much of difference you can able to see here? 3 units. So here's 3 units. They clearly mentioned that it's a 3 years ago. So if it is a 3 years ago, age of Mohit is 5 years and Rohit is 15 years. Present age of Mohit is 8 and Rohit is 18. Now what is the question? Rohit is after 6 years. Rohit is after 6 years is 24. So answer is 24. Is it clear, guys? Now guys, Ramesh purchased a bike 54,000. He sold it initially 6%. That what money he purchased another bike and sold it 10% profit. So what is his overall loss of profit? Now it is also happened in successive way. Use the successive use formula. Minus of 6 plus 10. Minus of 6 into 10 by it's 4. Just subtracted 0.6 units. So still you will get the 3.4% of profit. So your answer must be profit here. So 3.4 percentage of bike initial cost price. So here the product of 54 and 34 gives you answer. See 5 3s are 15. Cross multiply them. It's all about 32. 2 here, 3 here and 4 4s are 16. So 1836 rupees of profit. It's all about probability. Identify the favorable conditions and total conditions. A deck contains 5 pink, 3 yellow, 2 white. So total how many balls are there? Exactly equal to 10 balls. Out of these 10 balls, if 2 balls are drawn at random, then what is the probability? None is pink. Guys, we don't want pink. So those 2 balls can be either yellow or white. So we cannot take anything from pink ball. That's why So total possibility, we need 2 balls out of 5. We need 2 balls out of 10. So what is the probability here? 5C2, you already know the calculation. 5 into 4 divided by 2 into 1. 10C2, 10 into 9 divided by 2 into 1. So here the respective probability to get 2 balls, none of the pink, probability is 2 by 9. Or you can take in this case also total probability. So whatever the total probability minus pink. If both are pink, what is the probability? If both are pink, what is the probability here? 5C2 divided by 10C2, right? If both are probability, 5C2 divided by 10C2, that value you can subtract it from total probability, still you will can able to get the answer. Next. Guys, you already know this model. So just try to solve this question and post your answer in the comment section. They clearly mention that take all vowels come together. So we want all vowels are come together. Then how many different possible ways you will get that word? So word is poverty. See one more question from ages concept. Ratio of Amit to his mother is 7 is to 11. The difference of their ages is 24 years, guys. Here the respective ratio is 7 is to 11. How much of difference you can able to see? 4 units. That is exactly equal to 24 years. If 4 units is 24 years, then each unit is equal to 6 years. Now what is the ratio of their age after 6 years? So here the value of mother is 66, 42. So what is the age after 6 years? 48 is to 72. Is it clear? So it's all about 24 table. So the respective ratio become 2 is to 3. Now check this question. By selling a smartphone for 27,270, a dealer suffers a loss. Means, for example, the cost price is 100 units. Now selling price is exactly equal to 90 units. If 90 units data is given, 27,270. Now what price should he sell to earn profit of 15%? If 90 units is 27270, don't identify the CP. Again, if you identify the CP, that mobile is sold it for 15% profit. Means what is the value of 115? Why? Because 15% of cost price is 115. Now just find this value. 0, 0 cancel. So 303 time. So 303 is multiplied with 115. You can split in this way. 100 plus 10 plus 5. So 100 units is 30, 30,300. 10 times is 3030. And what about the 5 off of this value? So 1515. Just add all the numbers. It's 34,845 is the correct answer. The easiest question, guys. Selling price of 16 apple is same as cost price of 20 apple. What is the profit or loss percentage? Guys, they clearly mention that if selling of 16 article is same as cost of 20 articles. Now, selling price by cost price is exactly equal to, see, selling price by cost price is exactly equal to 5 by 4. If selling price is higher, definitely answer is profit. So how much of profit here? So here 1 unit of profit out of 4. So 1/4 of value is 25%. So see this question. The difference between compound interest and simple interest, same sum 2 years at the rate of 20% per annum is 144.480. So what is the principal lent out in each case? Guys, if it is a interest, simple interest concept, time period is 2 years. Remember that. So interest is always based on principal only. So here simple interest you will get exactly equal to 40% of principal amount. Now if you take same amount for compound interest, rate of interest is same, time duration is 2 years. Now see, first year you have to pay 20%, second year you have to pay 20%, for second year you have to pay first year interest also. How much of first year interest? 4. Now Total compound interest is exactly equal to 44%. Guys, still you can use the successive percentage formula also. Now see how much of difference you can able to see. 4% of principal exactly equal to 144.80. What is the principal amount? 14480 divided by 100, then it's 100 by 4. So it's C, 4 3 is 12, 4 6 are 24, 420. So answer 3620. Now see this question. In how many different ways can a committee of 5 members, we need 5 members committee to be formed from 7 men and 4 women. So it should comprising as we need 3 men and 2 women. Guys, we need 3 men out of 7. So what is the selection here? Out of 7 we have to select 3 people. Now out of 4 we need to select 2 women. Now we need to place together. Why? Because we need the committee. So committee is a combination of both men and women. So together, remember this concept guys. Together is a part of multiplications. 7C3 value and 4C2 value. 35 is multiplied by 6 times. Next. So let's just check this question. Aman had 5,400 rupees in his account 2 years ago. Last year, he deposited another 10%. Let us assume 2 years ago, I have 100 rupees. Now, this year, he was invested 10%. Again, next year, he deposits 15%. Now, the amount with present account. So, what is the amount of present? Guys, it is also happen in successive percentage. Use successive percentage concept. You can save your time. It's all about 25 plus 1.5. It's 26.5% amount is increases from this value. If 26.5 divided by 100 is multiplied by, so is multiplied by 54,000. If 265 is multiplied by 54 gives your answer. So total 14,330 is increases. So total amount is 54,000 and 14,330. Now total value become 68,330. 68,330. Let me check with the calculation. We can't able to see. Maybe it's a 310 or 330. Sorry, it's like 1060. So 68,320. Next. Now see, partnership question. P and Q invested in a business in the ratio of 5:4. It's an investment ratio. So investment ratio. If 10% of total profit, let us assuming that 100 units is total profit. So 10% goes for charity. Now see guys, out of 100 units, if 10% goes for charity and remaining 90 units, we have to distribute it according to their investment. Now P gets 50 units, Q gets 20 units, charity gets 10 units. So in this way, we are distributing all 100 rupees. Now the question. Now if the share of P's is exactly equal to 950. Now it's exactly equal to 19 times. What is the total profit? Total profit is 1900. Why? Because we are assuming that 100 unit, each unit is 19 pounds. See the concept of allocation and mixes. A milkman mixed 7 liters of free tap water with 20 liters of pure milk. If the cost of pure milk is 30 rupees per liter and percentage of profit of milkman when he sells mixer at cost price, how much percentage of profit he will get? Just simple point. Guys, just think in this way. He invested 20 liters for 30 rupees. Later, while selling, he is adding 7 liters of free water. It's a 27 liters. Now he sell it for how much of amount? It's the same amount. Remember, 20 liters he purchases for 30 rupees. He adding 7 liters of free water. Now those 27 liters also he was selling for 30 rupees itself only. Now the question, what can be the profit percentage? Now see, his profit is 7 liters of water out of 20. Simple point, guys. Out of 20 liters, 7 liters is profit. Why? Because that's a free of cost. Now, how much of profit he earns while adding those 7 liters of water? Answer is 35%. Simple point. Don't apply allegation and mixers, guys. Simple concept. So, hope you understand that these are the easiest question. Maybe you can expect in any of these slot, guys. If you want this PDF, you can take this PDF from my Telegram. Simply search V2VVK. You can get my channel, Vision to Victory, and download this PDF. There's only one thing I am expecting from you. Just support our channel and share this information with your friends. And I already completed couple of videos, especially for SBI clerk examinations. Just go and watch all those videos. You will get the informations how we are solving each and every puzzle as seating arrangement or miscellaneous questions or data interpretation. You can able to understand the approaches also. So follow us on Instagram. Simply search Vision to Victory. You will get my channel, or you can scan this picture. You can get my channel and feel free to reach us if you have any queries regarding to your preparation or career wise. So that's it from today's session. Until the next session, have a nice day. Take care, guys.